Hello there, my name is Bob Pickering, Emergency Management Technician. I'm presenting this edition of the Flagler Weather Update from here at the Emergency Operations Center. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Quick look at the tropics. National Hurricane Center's watching area in the central Caribbean Sea, only giving it a low chance of developing as it moves off to the northeast, but not a concern for us up here in Flagler County. So let's go and take a look now as things stand today. This is a map from the Weather Prediction Center. Large high pressure system over the southeast. The high pressure systems rotate like this, so as it's been approaching us, the wind's been coming in out of the northeast off the ocean, but as it goes past us, the high pressure is going to go ahead and pull off to the east. The winds are going to start coming more out of the east, southeast, and then south as we get to Saturday as the high pressure system moves off. Now, high pressure is generally like a big, heavy mountain of air in the atmosphere, and when you have a high pressure system, it keeps clouds and rain and showers from developing because the air is heavy and is sinking. Now, take a note up here. This is a cold front coming out of Canada and another high pressure system here, Canadian high pressure, and this high pressure system, this front is forecast to blast across the United States of Florida, reaching us by the weekend. So this is going to be a role player in our weather by the time we get to the end of the weekend, and we're going to talk about that in just a little bit. So let's take an overview of what we're going to expect as we go through the rest of this week, settled and warmer into Saturday. Saturday is actually going to be a really nice day. Then there's going to be a risk of a shower or two on Sunday. So folks, if you're participating in a 9/11 motorcycle run on Sunday, you might want to be prepared for perhaps a few showers, not a washout by any means whatsoever. Then some cooler, fresher air begins to arrive early next week, but then we're starting to see signals of something developing in the Gulf of Mexico, perhaps even just a stalled front that will make weather changeable and unsettled as we get towards the holidays. So let's go ahead and take a look at sky conditions as we go through the rest of the week and into Saturday. Largely sunny, some puffy cloud developing in the afternoons, maybe some cloud thickening up later on Saturday as that weather system approaches us. High temperatures on Friday in the lower 70s, lows generally in the lower 50s at night. It will be warmer near the beaches at night. Saturday will definitely be warmer, settled and warmer, thickening cloud late in the day, maybe during the evening hours, but highs flirting with 80 degrees. It'll be a little bit cooler along the immediate beaches, and lows generally near 60 at night. Now, as we get towards Sunday, now this is that cold front, that front that was way up here on Friday is going to be down here by Saturday and pushing through, and will likely bring some showers with it, and then this cool high pressure system and cooler air begins to move into the region. So Sunday sky conditions, cloud with a few showers possible. Again, not expecting a washout by any means, but there could be a few passing showers on Sunday. The timing looks to be anytime through the morning to midday, but that could adjust. Looking at our forecast now, chance of a light shower or two. Cooling temperatures will fall as we go through the day on Sunday, with the warmest temperatures maybe by the morning or midday, and then temperatures falling late in the day. Temperatures bottoming out in the lower 50s at night, and again, a few passing showers likely. As we get into Monday, cooler and settled with some fresher, cooler air moving into the region, but cloud will thicken up late in the day or during the evening hours. Highs struggling to get to the lower 70s. Lows rebound at night, though, into the upper 50s as those winds begin to shift onshore as that next high pressure system moves along. Now, looking at next week around Thanksgiving and getting into that area, this is a precipitation forecast from the Weather Prediction Center. You can see that enhanced precipitation is expected over the Gulf of Mexico, and some precipitation expected across the state of Florida, including Flagler County. So this is signaling to us that some unsettled conditions are likely as we go towards Thanksgiving. Exactly to what extent and how this will play out, it's just too early to see how it's going to work out just yet, but this is something we'll be watching. Nothing to be concerned with, but if you have any outdoor plans on Thanksgiving, just be mindful. There could be some passing showers or periods of rainfall. Right now, looking at our forecast, our outlook, unsettled and changeable, but it'll be staying generally mild with highs in the mid 70s, lows around 60 degrees or so. And again, this could be higher or lower depending how things play out with this next weather system. At the beaches, surf 3 to 4 feet, surf temperature chilly 70 degrees, moderate rip current risk out there, and a moderate UV index. So to wrap things up, if you want to stay informed as we go through the weekend, flaglercounty.org. There's a weather section there. You can get the latest from the National Weather Service, or click on your weather radio. It's always good to have a weather radio. If you want to keep up on the tropics, go to hurricanes.gov, and you can find us on Spectrum, dialing up channel 492. You can also go to YouTube and just type in Flagler County to find our YouTube channel. Not only can you see this, you can see other fine Flagler County programming. That's going to wrap it up from the Emergency Operations Center. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll be back next week.